In this video, we're going to take a look at importing reliefs, importing STLs, and let's say, for instance, you don't like the edges of it. It looks really pixelated, so there are lots of jagged edges. I've been asked this question a lot over the years, and it affects Carveco Maker, Carveco Maker Plus, and also the full Carveco. So if you take a look on the right hand side here, you can see that I've got a 10-inch square model, and it's 2000 by 2000 pixels, which is the maximum that I can go to for the resolution in Carveco Maker. I'm going to open up the relief clip art library, and I'm going to bring in, let's say, this chameleon. And I want this chameleon to actually be, let's say, an inch. Now, I've seen lots of people do the model where it's absolutely huge and then the relief is quite small. So I'm going to do this, let's say, an inch, and let's apply that. Then what I'm going to do is just move it down to this bottom left-hand corner, because that's where I'm going to be machining. And then let's rotate around. Just going to drop it down a touch, and you can see it looks fine. And you know, it's not got any of those jagged edges going around it. It's not pixelated. It looks absolutely fine. Now, the reason for that is because it's still floating clip art. It's still blue. So it's not part of the background. It's not part of the 3D model yet. As soon as I paste it down, then it does become part of this zero plane, this yellow area that's on the screen. So if I click paste, you can see it then creates all of these jagged edges, and it's also lost its resolution. Now, the reason for that is because it's only an inch wide. So you're only using a tenth of the actual pixel size. So it's going to be 200 pixels by 200 pixels. It's not 2000 pixels. So what I would do is make sure that you create your model the correct size that you need it for the imported relief or the imported STL. So if I reset that now, and then let's bring that in again, but this time I'm going to do it the size that I actually wanted it to be. So let's say 9.8. So it's almost the exact size. And then I'll press F9 to put that in the center. Now I'm still going to lose pixels because I've got this empty space here and here. There's not really much that I can do about that without changing the actual model. So I'm not fussed about it, and it won't make that much of a difference. So if I paste that down now, you can see that it's a lot better resolution, and I haven't got those jagged edges. So always do this when you import reliefs, import 3D models like STL files. Make sure that the model size in the background is pretty much the same sort of size as the model that you want to import, so you maintain that resolution.